Under STTR grant funding from the National Human Genome Research Institute, we have developed a role-playing puzzle game for educational use called GENOMICE. The goal of the project is to increase genomics literacy, specifically introducing undergraduate and high school students to why it matters, what jobs exist, and how to solve related problems. This exposure intends to present additional career pathways and prepare students with the necessary skills in case they choose to pursue them. The player is a new student at an academy training people to become Mice Mesiters, experts in breeding and collecting mice for a variety of purposes. Other characters, from fellow students to school staff, all have their own motivations for becoming a Mice Mesiter based on real applications of genomics from medicine to biology. The diverse representation of the cast aims to present at least one character to whom a student can relate, encouraging that anyone can become a Mice Mesiter and, analogously, a person working in a genomics career. Mice play a key role in genomics research because about 90% of their active genetic information has an analog within humans' active genetic information through a common ancestor. This similarity, alongside their quicker reproduction and maturity rates, make it possible to better understand the impacts of certain genetic information to a person's health. Dialogues in the classroom slowly introduce the background needed to understand this relationship through brief tutorials about terminology, mixed with reflective questions and feedback to review and teach critical thinking. The laboratory activities provide a more hands-on approach to explore the concepts through breeding mice and observing their offspring. Puzzles based on activities that actual professors and professionals use to train their own students guide the players as they apply the tutorial concepts towards achieving the goals, such as breeding specific mice populations or identifying what genetic information correlates to certain traits. Aside from these extrinsically motivated challenges, players will have opportunities for intrinsically motivated achievements where they can breed mice to discover many unique traits. With careful decision-making, players can breed and collect many possible strains of mice. To assist players along the way, GENOMICE modifies some of the character interactions and puzzles to personalize the learning experience. Everyone grasps concepts at their own pace, and the game observes the player like a teacher would to recognize when and how they might be struggling or looking for a greater challenge. In response to such cases, the game chooses how to adapt upcoming content so that players get the same takeaway with respect to their playstyle. In summary, GENOMICE provides an interactive environment where players can learn about topics related to genomics literacy and develop skills needed for related careers. Through hands-on application of the concepts with realistic biology for mouse breeding, the development of skills in critical thinking for problem solving and probabilistic reasoning will likely transfer for use in genuine situations that have inspired the ones players experience in the game.